For this video, I'm going to show creating unmanaged disks. So, let's just first create a virtual machine. And unmanaged disks just use blob. And managed, you don't need to get a storage account for it. But anyway, and you can't have both managed and unmanaged disks for a virtual machine. So we'll just call it new VM 1, new VM 0. We'll give it a new resource group. All this is fine. Make sure that premium disk is supported. So that's fine. So we go to disk, premium SSD, that's what we want, it's fine. And we go to advanced, and we uncheck managed disk. So now we're using unmanaged disk. So let's create a new, and let's make a V2, doesn't matter. So we can't change it to standard because we're doing premium, and LRS is fine. Unmanned storage. Okay. And it says, okay, managed uses high fault tolerance, better, higher availability, and more scale. And then we're good. We don't want any of that, so we'll create, and I'll come back when it's ready. And if I forgot to say, I kind of mentioned it but didn't explain that if you choose if you make a standard storage account, then you need a standard SSD or HDD. And if you do, they have to match. So if you do premium for one, premium for other. So that's what we're doing here, because we're creating a storage account while we're creating the virtual machine. Alright, so it's ready. Let's go to the virtual machine. And so now we gotta attach the disk to the disk and add data disk. Call it whatever you want. Man disk. And we'll just keep it empty. So like I said, we did premium for the virtual machine and stuff. So storage container, let's browse for it. So it's right there. But let's say we change it to standard and we try to browse. It's not going to be there, so you have to create a new one. But let's just do what we already did. And if we need more container, we can create another one, but that's fine. Select that one, and here's the name of the blob, storage container. So everything works, so you just click. So anyway, we're going to go to that file. Anyway, so we're here, save, and it's updating the virtual machine disk, and when it's ready, I'll come back. Alright, fresh. Alright, so it's all there. Let's go look at the storage account. Unmanaged storage. Containers, so the VHDS is what it created. And so this is what initially created. Page blob, and then I just created that second one. So that's it. Here's the file for it. So basically, it just makes your virtual hard disk into a storage account. blob.